Hi again, this is Team CSNERDS. In this particular video, we're gonna demonstrate features of date-based alarm clock. So let's start our program. So let's go to the alarm clock mode and let's select date-based alarm clock. And since date-based alarm clock requires date, you have to give the year, month, and day. So you can increase it by pressing first button here, the value of the year, and you can decrease by pressing the third button here. But notice that you cannot decrease further beyond from 2020. Why? Because this year has already passed. Since the current year is 2020, we cannot give less values than 2020. So let's actually give current year and see how other parameters of alarm clock will behave. Months. And since we in the previous step we selected current year, and therefore we cannot have a full range option for months, so we cannot give actually January, February, or March, April for the months of the alarm clock, because that months has already passed. We can give a May or months that comes after the May until December, like this. Let's actually select May, and as you can see, current day is 15. At least you can give a 15 as a value for a day. You cannot give less values than 15, but you can give obviously higher values. So like this, you can increase the value of the day until 31, because May is 31. May has 31 days. Let's select actually current day. I mean alarm clocks day as 15, which is the same with the current day. Let's select it, and hour is 12, and actually let's select hour also 12. And the all logics, the all kind of validations are applied here in hour and minutes as well. So in order to not to take too long to your time, so I have kind of explaining much faster. And current time is 12. Let's give 13 and see how alarm clock works. At the final step, the alarm clock will be displayed with the date and time. Anytime, if you want, when the alarm clock rises, you can back to the alarm clock mode, and you can see that the alarm clock is matched with the current time and date. With this, therefore, LEDs are blinking. Actually, the alarm clock will work for 1 minute, as you have seen in time-based alarm clock. So in order to not to take your time, I will just disable this alarm clock. And how to disable alarm clock? Actually, to disable alarm clock, you have to press this third button here in the normal mode, like this. As you can see, alarm clock LEDs stop blinking, and alarm clock settings has been cleared. And we are in the initial phase. When we go back to the alarm clock mode, we will be in the initial phase because everything is cleared. And once again, I want to show one feature of date-based alarm clock is that let's select 2024. I want to show that how February will behave according to the leap year. We have also take care of leap years. I mean, if it is leap year, February will have 29. If it's not, February at most, I mean, total number of days of February months will have 28 if it's not a leap year. If it's leap year, it will have 28 days. So let's select 2024, which is leap year. Oh, let's select it actually. And let's select February. You can see that. And you can see that we can go to the we can go until 29. You'll see that like this. And we press again, we go back to 1 as a cyclic motion. So it works like this. February has 28 days, so it doesn't matter which values we will select for next parameters. So, and you can see that when you go back to the alarm clock mode, the alarm is set, and if you wish to disable alarm clock in case you gave a wrong input, or in case you gave a undesired date or time for alarm clock, then you can easily disable it by pressing this cert button, and alarm clock is disabled. As you can see, we are in the initial phase. So that was all about our project. So we covered normal clock mode, alarm clock mode. Alarm clock mode has two types, time-based and date-based. And also we covered the stopwatch, and also we covered disabling alarm clock and how it works. So it was all about our projects. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day.